My dear SS2 students, I welcome you back once more to our online lesson. I remember we started bearing last week, and we tried to find bearing of a point for another point. And the last thing we did before the time was off is to solve this problem on the board. It was that the bearing of B from A, what you say from your starting from that place is 35. Because we're talking about 3-digit bearing is 0.35. And we are given the speed and the time. From there we got the distance. We also told that the bearing of C from B is 130. And that is 130. And we are given the time and the speed of the plane. From there, we got the distance. So we have to find distance AC, that is from A to C, and I've just done that. So what we are doing before the time was off is to find the bearing of C from A. This is A now. So standing at A, what angle we are going to turn to C? That's it. We already know that from here to here is 35. And remember, if here is 35, here is also 35. If here is 130, we move from 180, here is what, 50, total angle is what, 85. So what you need now is to know theta. Once you know theta, add theta to this, that's what I'm going to turn to C from A. Remember the turning is clockwise, always. So from here, you go back to the sine formula. You see, I told you sine formula and cosine formula are very, very useful in solving bearing. So here we use sine formula. Now sine theta, why do you use sine formula? Because you know this. Sine theta over 600 is same as sine 85 over AC. What is AC? 919. I've got it here. So from here, find the sine theta. So sine theta is equal to cross multiplication. Sine theta is equal to sine 85 multiplied by 600. Then find sine 85 and then multiply by 600 divided by 191. You arrive at 0.6504. Then when you want to find theta, you find sine inverse. The sine inverse will be 0.41. So if here is 0.41, 0.041 degrees. Then to find from here to here will be add up. So 0.35 or 0.41. That's going to be 0.76. So that is the answer to that question. I want you to throw it. Now let us look at some questions. Another question from past questions. Look at this one. This is November 2003. I will read everything, but I will summarize this so I can solve it as quickly as possible. Question number 4. Question number 4, November 2003. 2003. Question 4. And what is the question saying? Point X is on a bearing of 0.65 degrees, and at a distance of 5.7 meters from point Y. Then another point Z is 84 meters from point X, and on a bearing of 145 degrees from Y, from point Y. Then question now. Calculate 1. The bearing the bearing of Z from X, according to nearest degree, that's how I've taught you that. Number 2, the distance of Z from Y, also according to 3SF, to 3SF to nearest degree. So then SF, significant figure. Now, so once you are given this type of question, the next thing is to draw the diagram. Draw the diagram to help you to know what you are to find. Draw the diagram to help you to know what you are to find. Remember the question number 4. Now, let us draw the diagram. Where is the movement started? That is the big question. It started from point Y. That's where it started, point Y. So we can now indicate point Y with 4 cardinal points like this. This is our Y. And what happened to point Y? It moves. It moves from Y to X. From Y to X on a bearing of 0.65. So I'll now indicate, from here to here is 90. So 0.65 is written here. So I'll now indicate it like this: 0.65. Here is 0.65 degrees. Once you landed at X, you also give out 4 cardinal points like this. Now, so this now is our point 1, X. You stop it. The second point is say that, and another point, Z. Remember that this is 57 meters. Another point Z is 84 meters from point X, and on a bearing of 145 from Y. So you turn, where will you land it? 145, where will you land it? This is the first quadrant, 0 to 90. Then the second quadrant is 91 to 180. 145 will be on the second quadrant. So I'll now do like this. So from here to here is 145. From here to here is 145. Now, 145. So this is the Z, the point Z. And we are told that from point X to Z is 84. So this is 84 meters. So this is Z. So you see how the whole thing looks like. Now, if here is 65, total angle is 0.90. Therefore, this angle here is what? This is 5. So this is 25. 25. This is 25. And the whole of this angle, you follow better you follow very well. The whole of this angle is 145. So this angle here is 25. But from here to here is 145. Here is 25. 145 minus 25, 0 to 120. So okay. No. Here, from here to here, 145. Here is 25. What will be here? Then from here to here is 145. 145 minus bracket 65 plus 25. So 140 minus what do you have here? Minus 90. 145. Minus 90 to give you what? Minus 90 to give you 55. So this angle here is 55. So you have to know how to distribute angles. Now, what are we going to find? First question: the bearing of Z from X, which means find from here to here. What will you turn? Bearing of Z from X. What will you turn? We have known this angle. We don't know this. We don't know this. We don't know this. How do you know it? Then we are going to use the same sine formula. Sine formula. Sine formula will help us to solve the problem without wasting time. Now, how do we use it now? We know this and this. We can now find this and this. Let's call this place theta. Theta. Now, if you add these two now, this is going to give you 80. From here to here is 80. So I can now say sine 80 over 84 is equal to sine theta over 57. Sine theta over 57. You take your calculator. Now, sine 80 over 84 to give you sine 80 equals multiplied by 57 equals divided by 84 equals, I'm going to give you 0.6683. 6683. That is that for theta is equal to sine inverse 0.6683 to give you inverse sine 0.6683 to give you 41.935. 41.935 under approximation 42 degrees. Then, having obtained that to be 42 degrees, the next now is to find the bearing of this. Then remember that this plus this will give you 90 degrees. So you can still find this angle. From there, you can now get the other side. So the total angle in a triangle, 180 minus bracket 80 plus 42 will give you 80 plus 42 will give you 122. 122 minus 180, 58. So, so this angle is 58. Now, if you this, remember that here, from here to here, you want to find. But this angle is 56. How do you find this? You this is this, and this comes here. This goes down here. Now, this is 65. Remember alternate angle. Remember our alternate angle. So here, we are wanting this to be this. Then from here to here, we want us to find. And then here is 90. You know that? Here is also 90. You know that? Then when you come out to this angle is not up to 90. So this is going to give you 180. 180 plus here is 180, then plus the angle. That's this line here didn't go straight. This line here didn't go straight. It didn't go straight to call 180. It has something like this. Something like this. So there's a small angle here. There is a small angle here, which 180 for that angle. So 180, and then from this angle, here is 50, 65. 65 minus 58. What do we get? 65 minus 58. 65. 65 minus 58. Going to give you 7. So this one angle here is 7. So total from here to here will be 180 plus 7 to give you 187 degrees. Please, there's a small angle here. This is, you know, from here to here is 65. But here is 58. We find this angle here is 7. So this plus this plus this will give you 187. So the bearing of Z from X, stand at X, turn to CZ, you have to turn 187 degrees. How do you get it now? I say that have it like this. Bearing of Z from X equals 90 plus 90 plus 7, 187 degrees. So final thing is distance Z from Y. Z from Y, that is X. You can use this, can use this, anyone. Remember that here is, we got this one to be 42. 42, can use any of them. So either you use sine, number 2, I'm solving number 2, sine 80 over 84 is equal to sine, if you like, 42 over 42, no, not 42, sine 58 over AZ. So we're looking for AZ is equal to cross multiplication 84 multiplied by 58. I say sine 8 over 84 equals sine 58 over AZ. So this should be sine. So AZ should be 84 multiplied by sine 58 all over sine 80.
Let's see how time. Okay.
You follow it like this. Sine 58, 58, 58. We give you 0.8480. 84 and 0.8480. All over sine 80, 8480. Sine 80, sine 80. 09848 down 48. Then multiply and divide. 84 multiplied by 0.8480 equals divided by 0.9848 to give you 72.33. 72.331. 72.331. And that's the answer. Then remember that I have to correct to 3SF. 3SF, which is 1, 2, 3. Is it up to 5? No. It will be 72.3 km. Okay, the nearest degree, I've done that. 58 degrees. So that is for that year. Let us look at another year. If I finish it before the time is over, you saw me. But this one, they help you out. Okay. Next lesson we start with November 2000. Question number 13. If you can lay hands on it, you can try it. They drew the diagram for you. Sometimes they will draw the diagram and for you to solve. And once they drew the diagram, the problem is halfway solved. So, bearing, probability, construction, and longitude. These are some of the questions you expect in the part 2 of mathematics. So bear will take us time though. Not something I will rush for you to follow it up. So let's continue.